Hello everybody! Today's video is going to be a DIY. How to make a frontal from 3 closures. As you guys can see, the one in the center is a little bit lighter from the ones on the ends. And that's because I found these closures just lying around in my salon and I needed a frontal. So instead of me spending money on a frontal, why not just put these together and create my own? Each closure has an outline, and this is a little tricky. You only want to cut off the parts that you are going to be stitching together. You want to leave the outside because that's the part that you need the protective layer to sew on to the wig cap. Alright, so I went ahead and trimmed off the parts that I will no longer need. As you guys could see here, I will be stitching together those pieces, and then the outside here will be stitched onto the wig cap. And here is just an example of how you're going to stitch them together. Pretty easy, nice and simple. And look at that, had to do a double take because what? A whole frontal from 3 closures? Talk to me nice. You want to make sure that you don't sew all the way to the hairline because when you're applying this, you still have some room to move things around, to adjust things. You know what I mean? And of course, you're going to want to pluck to make sure that this is seamless. I went ahead and attached it to the wig cap. Stay till the end because you're going to see that I actually got my project done. And I ended up wearing this hair out for a girls' night, which was very spontaneous because I did not have any plans on wearing this hair anywhere. In between the hairs, you cannot see the threading. I was going to use a nude thread, but I thought that would show because the hair is supposed to be jet black. But no matter what, you still cannot see the threading. It's very seamless. Now moving along. Attaching it to the wig cap, make sure that it's placed properly. Using your T-pins, make sure that your wig head is the correct size, and go ahead and place that down. There's a whole bunch of videos on YouTube on how to get that done. And because this is for a project, this is nothing for me to wear outside, seriously. Please do not mind my stitching. If this was for a client, this would have been seamless. Take note at how full and bold that hair piece in the front looks, and in the next clip you're going to see how much better it can look once you start to pluck it. Alright everybody, so before I end off this video, leave a comment below and let me know if you want to see me record a video with me applying this same exact unit. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.